everyone, welcome to day 12 in Denmark. So guys, I'm so thrilled for today's video because we are hitting up one of my favorite store, IKEA. So stay tuned to see what I pick up. So guys, IKEA has several stores in Denmark. Like major location includes IKEA Copenhagen, IKEA Aarhus, IKEA Odense and IKEA Aalborg. So today we are going to IKEA Aarhus. So let's dive into an exciting shopping spree with me. Let's go! So guys, this is the entrance to the IKEA store, and guys, already I'm so thrilled to see those beautiful setups inside here. And now we are going to IKEA cafeteria area for have some lunch. So let's go. So guys, as you can see, there are few cafeteria areas here with different decorations. So I already fell in love with that because they are so beautiful. So you can pick whatever you want from here, and this is like self-service stuff. So you can pick your food here, then you can find a place to enjoy your meal. So we decided to go for this corner because it has beautiful view of outside. So while we are waiting for our food, we can enjoy this beautiful sky view from here. So guys, our food is arrived and now we are going to pick some drinks. So this time I'm going with lemon drink. So guys, for the lunch we ordered meatballs and mashed potatoes with jam and green peas. So you can see little flag over here. So they use this flag to represent the vegan dishes, and you can recognize your vegan plate from that. Super interesting, right? After good lunch, we started to explore these beautiful displays of various room setups, and guys, I think this concept is really cool and really helpful to inspire customers and help them to visualize how products might look in their own houses, guys. I think that is really nice that you are never get lost what you should buy from here.
Oh my god, he said I love you, I only love you, I'll always love you. Come to my dream quickly. He said if you chant my name 3 times before going to sleep, you'll dream of me, let's try it. Baby, I love you, baby, I love you, baby, I love you. See ya. Oh my god, he said I love you, I only love you, I'll always love you. Come to my dream quickly. He said if you chant my name 3 times before going to sleep, you'll dream of me, let's try it. Baby, I love you, baby.
So guys, you can see there are several areas here. Actually, this IKEA marketplace features a very wide section of home accessories, kitchenwares, interior design items and small items too. So guys, while doing this shopping thing, me and my sister did few TikTok dances in few different display locations, and you can check those videos in my TikTok account. So go and check it out. To be honest with you guys, in my personal opinion, I really like neutral colors for the home because it gives really positive and clean vibe to the house, and also the palette of white, grey and beige. I really like those color combinations with furnitures and the walls and tiles and everything because it really gives us a positive energy with really calm, peaceful vibe. So that's my opinion for the great interior, but you can use bold colors for the accents, but normally for the living space, I think the neutral colors are the best, guys.
I'm riding with you, baby. I know it's been hard lately. It's not meant to be.
So guys, if you are planning to build a house or redecorate your house and interior stuff, I think IKEA is a great place to visit because you can buy flat pack furniture with very modern design for really good affordable prices too.
My family is like a painting. Dad is the pen, mom is the ink, drawing warmth and joy. Joy. Grandpa's laughter is like a bell. Grandma's stories are like stars, accompanying me into sweet dreams. I'm the little flower in the family, growing up happily in love. I love Dad's broad shoulders, I row. My family is like a painting. Dad is the pen, mom is the ink, drawing warmth and joy. Joy. Grandpa's laughter is
So guys, the fun thing is, other than that, we had so much fun with those display setups. Hi everyone, welcome to Sanjana's cooking channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a sourdough bread. So keep watching. Guys, this is the actually fun part of the day. We had so much fun with those props. And you can see my sister had the shower in the IKEA too.
explain how, but I feel it in the air as it touches my skin. And it all starts right now. I don't wanna wait for my life to begin. I can't explain how, but I feel it in the air as it touches my skin.
So guys, it's been 12 days I came to Denmark, and guys, truly every single day is very amazing. So I uploaded to my YouTube channel my every single day routines, what I ate, what I explore, what I did and everything. So this video also another addition to my memory book because I have good and great passion for interior and architecture and stuff, because I really admire of the interior designs, and so this IKEA is really inspired me to what I do next and what I do for my future interior design projects too. Trust me guys, those props are the best. See, we had a fancy drinks too from IKEA. And this section for game lovers, because if you're a huge fan of gaming and stuff, this setup is the best. See how pretty this is.
Emerges from the depths with a mournful cry, calling out to the world, to the sky so wide, a soul adrift in the river's lullaby. Fishermen tell tales of the ghost in the stream, a warning to the living to heed the watery dream. But some are drawn by the mystery and lore to the river's edge where the water ghost roams. Oh, the water ghost in the river's cold embrace with
So guys, after explore all the display setups, this is place where you can buy the certain items that you want to select from those setups. So you can explore this area and you can shop whatever you want from and whatever you inspired to buy from those setups in upstairs.
my beloved, as if in a dream. The love in my heart is endless. Drinking alone under the moon, longing overflowing. Star River romance dancing with you. Four seasons come and go, love still lingers. Spring flowers in autumn, moon with
Guys, now we are entering to the IKEA warehouse area that you can find huge furniture pieces. So they store cupboards, beds and tables and like big furniture items in this area.
step I take, I own this stage. My destiny written on each page. Crown on my head shining bright, guiding me through the darkest night. I'll wear it with pride, never to part, for I am through L.
So guys, after a very useful and fun shopping spree day, now we are heading back to home to do something very relaxing. So let's go!
Every sky so wide, every moment by your side. In this world so vast and wide.
So after a very fun day, we came back home for dinner and I hope you guys enjoyed my day 12 in Denmark. So there are so much stuff to come. Please like, share, subscribe, comment my channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.